What's up, it's Bobby K, professional landscape designer, general contractor. I want to talk about one of the biggest mistakes that I see with contractors and homeowners thinking that they can't have an outdoor space because they've got a big, steep hill. It's not the case, and I'm going to show you right now what is something that could be an awesome template for you if you were thinking about putting together an outdoor space and you got a hillside and you don't know what to do. Let's start here. So as you see, I'm already walking up, and what am I doing? I'm splitting the elevation amongst different areas. All of this was hillside. We carved all this out, and then we have a transition that goes up to this level, another transition up to an upper level, and then you got the deck level. So we have multiple levels going on, and we're accomplishing this with retaining walls and hardscaping. So let's start to break this thing down. This area right here is going to be for a fire pit. The fire pit would be here, and we have enough usable space where you could put a chair here and a chair here, and then you've got a seating wall because there is a drop off there. A way you can protect yourself is by putting in a seating wall so that you're not going to be able to step off this and get hurt. Second thing is, think about nighttime. What you want to make sure you do is not take a header. So you want to illuminate all of these things. Underneath each of these columns, as well as the seating wall, as well as the treads of all the stairs going up, there's undercap light. So everything illuminates so that when you're stepping, you're not going to have any problems. Another cool thing is people a lot of times think that they can't use the space under their deck. If you've got enough height under your deck, and this could be another spot that you go hang out, the only thing is you want to make sure you put underdecking and a gutter system in place so that if it rains, you're not going to get rained on. But look at all the additional space that we were able to create for them, where they can put a TV, a couch, chairs, whatever. It's up to you. So you got one level here, go down to the fire pit level. Then you go up to this transitional area to a set of stairs, walkway over to the garage, another set of stairs to an upper level patio, and then you got the deck. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different elevations and levels. So what we did is we took that hillside and we carved out different spots. The only way this was able to accomplish and how the client would sign off on this is they had to see it. This is where you do a design. This is where you put in 3D. You can have it all, and this is absolutely a great template to show you. If you're interested in that, you want to see a design for yourself or get some ideas, go in the links below. I'm happy to help. It's Bobby K saying creation is everything, so go out and create.